Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Vivo Y16 to an Android device. Begin by accessing Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then click on Not Now if you want to in this pop-up and close it by selecting OK. After that, you can choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Vivo and Receive on an Android. Now tap on all of your files that you wish to send or select all of those dots from all of those categories. Then click on Send next to Selected. I will go with only one file, so I have to click on, for example, this photo, choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on your Android, tap on one of those options. I will go with Yes, I agree. Choose Close this window and select one of those connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon next to Input key. Then choosing while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and pointing this device's camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here and click on Receive. As you can see, after that, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!